Pollution has risen. Oxygen is for sale. The only thing we considered free is now for sale. Oxygen can for fresh air. Before getting into it, I wanna share with you a thing. See this man proving himself that he is the clever person in that country. But nature has revenged him. Watch this.
Te vas a subir algo bonito, viejo. Ay, Dios santo. ¡Ah! A la verga, compa. No mo. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Let's get into the video. Oxygen bar was opened in Delhi. Pure oxygen is for sale for 299 rupees. Delhi is high at air pollution. You can feel the fresh air for 15 minutes. Scientists' prediction has been true now. At early they have predicted that air will be polluted and it will be for sale. Yeah, it's true now. Be safe and support Make It Green.